Hello, my friends. My name is Jessica. I'm 21 years old. I'm a university student. I study English and psychology. But I don't just go to class. I also work part-time in a cafe. So my days are busy, but I love my life. Today, I want to show you my daily routine. That means the things I do every day, from morning to night. This video is for all of you learning English. I will speak slowly. I will use simple words so you can understand. You'll hear real-life English, the kind you can use every day. So, are you ready? Let's start my day together. My alarm clock rings at 6:30 inches the morning. Beep, beep, beep. I wake up slowly. I'm very tired. I turn off the alarm. I sit on my bed for 5 minutes. I take a deep breath. Then I get up. I walk to the window. I open it. The weather is nice today. The sun is shining. Birds are singing. It feels peaceful. Now I go to the bathroom. First, I wash my face with cold water. It helps me wake up. Then I brush my teeth for 2 minutes. I always use mint toothpaste. It makes my mouth feel fresh. After that, I take a quick shower. The hot water feels good on my skin. I wash my hair with shampoo. I use soap for my body. My shower takes about 10 minutes. I dry myself with a soft towel. Then I go back to my bedroom. I open my closet. What should I wear today? I have classes in the morning. I have work in the evening. I choose a white shirt and blue jeans. They're comfortable. They look nice. I also wear my favorite red sneakers. They're good for walking and standing. I brush my long brown hair. I tie it in a ponytail so it doesn't fall in my face. I look in the mirror and smile. I'm ready. Now it's time for breakfast. I go to the kitchen. I'm hungry. First, I make coffee. I love the smell of coffee in the morning. It makes me feel awake. For breakfast, I eat 2 pieces of toast with butter and strawberry jam. I also eat a banana. I drink a glass of orange juice. While I eat, I check my phone. I have 3 messages from my friends. One says, "Good luck in class today." I smile. I send a quick reply. Breakfast is my favorite meal of the day. At 7:45, I leave my apartment. I live on the 3rd floor, so I go down the stairs quickly. My university is not far, about 20 minutes by bus. I walk to the bus stop. I wait for 5 minutes. The bus arrives. It's crowded. Many people are going to work and school. I find a seat near the window. I put on my headphones. I listen to music. I like soft songs in the morning. They help me feel calm. I arrive at university at 8:15. My first class starts at 8:30. Today, I have 3 classes: English literature, psychology, and history. I love learning new things. In English class, we read poems. Today we read a poem about the sea. I like the rhythm. I like the words. In psychology, we learn about human behavior. We talk about emotions, memory, and dreams. It's very interesting. In history, we study ancient civilizations. Today, we learn about the Romans. They built big roads. They built strong buildings. Between classes, I meet my friends in the cafeteria. I sit with my best friend, Sophia. We drink coffee. We talk about our classes. We also talk about our plans for the weekend. Time goes fast when you're having fun. At 1 p.m., it's lunchtime. I'm hungry again. I go to the university cafeteria with Sophia. There are many options: sandwiches, salads, pizza, soup. I choose a chicken sandwich and a green salad. Sophia gets pizza and fries. We also buy apple juice. We sit outside. The weather is beautiful. The sun is warm. We talk and laugh. Lunch costs me 8 euros. After lunch, I go to the library. I need to study for my history exam. The library is quiet. It's peaceful. I find a good spot near the window. I open my books and notebooks. I read for 2 hours. I make notes about important dates and events. Sometimes studying is hard, but I know it's important. I'm working for my future. At 3:30, I pack my things. I leave the library. I need to go to work soon. I arrive at the cafe at 4 p.m. I work as a waitress 3 days a week. First, I change into my uniform, a black shirt and black pants. I tie my hair back so it doesn't fall in my face. My shift starts at 4:30. Today is busy. Many customers come for dinner. I take orders. I serve food. I clean tables. I always smile. I try to be friendly. What would you like to drink? Here is your food. Enjoy. Can I get you anything else? My feet hurt after standing for hours, but I like my job. I meet interesting people every day. Some customers are kind. Some are in a hurry. I learn to be patient. I learn to be helpful. My shift ends at 9 p.m. I'm very tired. I count my tips. I made 10 euros tonight. Not bad. I change back into my regular clothes. I say goodbye to my colleagues. See you tomorrow. Outside, it's dark now. I take the bus home. This time, the bus is quiet, almost empty. I sit and rest. I think about my day. It was long, but it was good. I arrive home at 9:30 p.m. First, I take off my shoes. My feet feel better. I'm hungry, but I'm too tired to cook, so I make a simple dinner: a cheese sandwich and tomato soup. I heat the soup in the microwave. I eat while watching my favorite TV show on my laptop. It's a funny comedy series. Laughing helps me relax after a long day. At 10:30 p.m., I prepare for bed. I brush my teeth again. I wash my face. I put on my pajamas. I set my alarm for tomorrow. 6:30 a.m. 6:30 a.m. Before sleeping, I read a book for 15 minutes. Reading helps me sleep better. At 11 p.m., I turn off the light. I close my eyes. Tomorrow will be another busy day. But that's okay. I like my life as a student and a worker. Every day is different. Every day is interesting. I'm learning. I'm growing. I'm doing my best. So, my friends, what did we learn today? We learned how to talk about our daily routines. Waking up, getting ready, going to school or work, eating meals, studying, and going to bed. These are all useful phrases. You can use them every day. Now I want to hear from you in the comments below. Just type, I want to learn about next. For example, I want to learn about morning routines next. Or, I want to learn about shopping in English next. I read every comment, and if many of you ask for the same topic, I'll make a video about it. If you liked this video, please like it. Subscribe to Talking Easy channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new lesson. Thank you for spending time with me today. Keep learning, keep trying, and I'll see you in the next video. Good night, and have a beautiful day.